Hello friends, in this video I will show how to write equal symbol in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way. You can type equal by pressing equal sign on your keyboard. In case this button is not working or any reason, you can insert this equal symbol by other way. Click on insert and select equation, and here select this equal sign. Another way, insert shape. Here this equation shapes, you will get this equal. Now you need to draw. You can change color, style and everything here. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you, and please share, like and subscribe this channel.